Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says consider the given data with frequency distribution. So, they have given you frequency distribution that 5 student got 3 marks, 2 student got 8 marks, 3 student got 11 marks, 2 student got 10, 4 student got 5, 4 student got 4. So this is unorganized data. Why I am saying this? Because look at this. This mark is small, then big, now small, now small, now small. It has to be increasing or it has to be decreasing. Okay, then only you can consider this to be an organized data. So what we are supposed to do, we will organize this thing. Okay, so look at this. I will be writing xi first, means smaller comes first. So 3, first is 3. After 3 I should go with 4, then 5. After 5 I should go with 8, then 10, and then 11. Okay, now we will talk about the frequency fi. So 3 got 5, 4 got 4, 5 got 4, 8 got 2, 10 got 2, 11 got 3. Okay, now the data has been organized. Now these guys are talking about the mean of the above data. So first question is you have to find out the mean. Look at this. So mean means what? Summation fi xi by summation fi. Okay, so look at this, how we will handle this situation. So we got uh, 15 plus 16 plus 20 plus 16 plus 20 plus 33. So this is sum of all the datas fi xi, this multiplied by this multiplied by this, and we have added everything, okay, by the number of terms. So it is 5, 5, 5, 10, and 10, 10 is 20. So there are 20 students. So we have 20. Correct? Now look at this. Let's simplify this thing. So this is 32. 32. This is 40. Okay. 40 plus 33 is 73. Okay. And then 15. So 5, 5, 10, carry 1. So 12. Okay. So it is 120 by 20. This thing gone. We are left with 6. So the mean is 6. I will not use all space. I will slide this thing little bit behind. Okay. So we got mean as 6. Done. So now you can connect P with 3. So P is connected with 3. Okay. Now we have next question. Next question is the median of the above data. Median means what? Middlemost term. Okay. As you know that there are 20 students. So who will come in the middle? Try to understand. 20. Okay. So 20 means there will be 2 students who will be in the middle. Correct or wrong? Like suppose that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 students. So who will be in the middle? This one means 4 by 2 and 4 by 2 plus 1. Okay, and we have to take the average of this. Means we have to consider, for this question we have 20 students, so we have to consider 10th and 11th student, average of 10th and 11th student, so median. Okay, so if you will observe, 5 student here, till this room 9 student, and till this room it is 13 student. So the student number 11th and 10th student will stay here. So marks obtained by the 10th student is 5, plus marks obtained by the 11th student is 5, and there are two things, so average of that, so we got 5. So the median becomes 5. Is that clear? If they will talk about mode, so this thing is the mode. Why? Because this is carrying the maximum frequency. Okay, now we will connect Q with 2. Is that okay? Now focus on R. Mean deviation about mean. Great. So now you have to find out the mean deviation about mean. Look at this. So what we are supposed to do? Summation from every element I have to subtract mean, and then add, and then number of terms. The number of terms is 20. Okay, so look at this. First we will go with mean, and then second question is median. Okay, so both are almost the same. So look at this. So from 3 you will subtract 6, because 6 is the mean, so you got 3. Now 3 times 5 is what? 15. Is that okay? Now, and you have to take mod. Okay, don't think about the sign. So 4 minus 6 is 2, and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Now 5 minus 6 is 1, 1 times 4 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. 6 minus 10 is what? 5. 6 minus 10 is 4, 4, 2 times 8. Then 11 minus 6 is 5, 5 into 3 is 15. So this is your summation xi minus mean. Okay, like we have to subtract this, and we have this thing 5 times, that's why I have multiplied by 5. Okay, upon 20. Now let's simplify this thing little bit more. So 15, 15, 15 and 15 is 30, and then 24, 24, so it is 54. So we got 54 by 20, so we can divide 27 by 10, so it is 2.7. Okay, so mean deviation about mean is what? 2.7, that is 4. So we will connect R with 4. Is that okay? Now we will go with the last question, mean deviation about median. Okay, mean deviation about median. And in this thing you are not supposed to do anything, rather this time you will subtract 5 from all the element. Okay, so 3 minus 5 is 2, 2 times 5 is 10. 4 minus 5 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 into 4 is 0. 5 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. Then 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. So this is your sum divided by 20. Now simplify things. So this is 10, 10, 10. So it is 30, 48. So we got 48 by 20 means 24 by 10 means 2.4. Okay. So 2.4 is 5. Option 5. So we will connect S with 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situation, and this question asked in advance. Okay, so for advance as well you have to prepare this chapter. Okay, so see you guys in next session of Mathflix.